Hello and welcome. Losing a spouse is one of life's most painful experiences. It's not only an emotional loss, but often a financial one too. Many seniors suddenly face difficult questions about their retirement income. Will I still receive my spouse's pension? What about their Social Security? Do I need to adjust my own retirement plans? If you've found yourself wondering these things, you are not alone. In today's video, we'll walk step by step through what happens to retirement benefits after your spouse passes away. We'll also talk about how to protect your financial stability in the process. Let's go through this together, one step at a time. Let's begin with Social Security survivor benefits. If your spouse was receiving Social Security or was eligible for it, you may qualify for survivor benefits through the Social Security Administration. Here's how it works. If you are at full retirement age, which is between 66 and 67, depending on your birth year, you may receive 100% of your spouse's benefit. If you are between age 60 and full retirement age, you may receive between 71% to 99%. If you are disabled, you may qualify as early as age 50. And if you are caring for your late spouse's child who is under age 16 or disabled, you may be eligible at any age. But here's something important. You cannot receive both your own retirement benefit and the full survivor benefit. The Social Security Administration will only pay the higher of the two amounts. That means you may have to choose between your benefit and your spouse's. Depending on which is greater, what should you do? Call the Social Security office or visit your local branch. They can help you compare the benefit amounts and guide you on which option will provide the most support. Now let's talk about pensions and employer retirement plans. Did your spouse receive a pension? Many pension plans offer a joint and survivor option. If your spouse selected this, you may continue to receive monthly income after their death. However, if they chose a single life annuity, the pension may end with their passing. It all depends on the plan they chose at retirement. If your spouse had a 401k or an IRA, you have a few options. You can roll the account over into your own IRA to keep it tax-deferred. You may also begin taking minimum required distributions called RMDs once you turn 73. If you're under 59 and a half, it's important to speak with a financial advisor before making any withdrawals to avoid penalties. To understand exactly what's available to you, contact the plan administrator. Ask for a clear explanation of survivor options and payout rules. These professionals are trained to walk surviving spouses through the process. Let's also talk about benefits from the federal government, military, or unions. If your spouse was a federal employee, you may be entitled to a survivor annuity through FERS or CSRS. If your spouse served in the military, you may receive income through the Survivor Benefit Plan, or SBP. This plan often provides up to 55% of your spouse's retirement pay. If your spouse was part of a labor union, it's a good idea to contact their union office. Some unions offer survivor pensions or other forms of financial assistance. Each of these programs is different with their own rules and forms, so reach out to their human resources or benefits office for help. Let's move on to life insurance and other survivor income. Did your spouse have life insurance, an annuity, veterans benefits, or a will that outlined financial distributions? These can offer critical financial support during a very difficult time. If your spouse had life insurance, the payout can be used to cover living expenses, medical bills, or debts. Sometimes people use part of the money to consult a financial planner and reorganize their financial future. To file a claim, you'll need a copy of the death certificate and the insurance company's claim form. It's usually a straightforward process, but don't hesitate to ask for help from a trusted advisor or family member. This leads us to an important step: rebuilding your retirement plan. After your spouse passes, it's time to sit down and reassess your income and expenses. Start by calculating your new monthly income. Add up your Social Security, pension payments, required withdrawals, and any life insurance benefits. Then take a look at your monthly spending. Some expenses may decrease, like travel or shared insurance, but others may increase, especially if you need more help at home or face higher healthcare costs. Next, speak with a trusted financial advisor. They can help you rebalance your investments, plan for taxes, and stretch your income over the years to come. If you don't have an advisor, consider reaching out to your local senior center or AARP for referrals. Don't forget to update your own legal documents. This includes your will, power of attorney, health directives, and beneficiaries on your retirement accounts. Keeping these up to date will protect your finances and give peace of mind to your loved ones. Let's take a deep breath. This is a lot of information, but you don't have to do it all at once. Take one step at a time. Call Social Security. Talk to your spouse's former employer. Review the paperwork you have. Reach out for help when you need it. You are not alone. Many people have walked this road before you, and there are professional support groups and community services ready to walk it with you. Let's recap. After the death of a spouse, Survivor benefits may come from Social Security, pensions, retirement accounts, government or military benefits, and life insurance. Each type has different rules, and it's important to ask questions and get clear answers. Then rebuild your retirement plan with a trusted advisor to reflect your new reality. Have you or someone you know gone through this kind of transition? What helped the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. You might help someone else going through the same thing. Thank you for watching. Please take care of yourself financially and emotionally. You've worked hard, and you deserve peace of mind in this next chapter of life. See you in the next video.